So hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tech Essence. In this video we are going to talk about another skill. So we had already talked about the copywriting skill, how much you can earn from that per order, as well as Instagram marketing. We have already talked about Instagram marketing. We have also talked on this channel about how you can create a Facebook shop and a Facebook business page and earn around $10 to $25 per order. So make sure to watch that videos in case you haven't watched it. So today I'm up with another skill, that is PowerPoint presentation. So I am on fiverr.com and you can see that I have searched for PowerPoint presentation. Okay, and I am searching. So you can see that the amount of services that are available are less compared to other services, other works. So you can see over here that this person is charging around $70. So let me just open his profile, what he is providing. And this one is providing PowerPoint presentation for $15. And if we go down, and so over here you can see that this person is charging around $5. So you can get a minimum amount also as well as a maximum amount also. So this is just a charge for creating a PowerPoint presentation and a Google slide. So basically the number of slides are also fixed. So we'll see over here. So I am going to develop a short course on how you can create a PowerPoint presentation. So this is just not limited to you providing the service to any other people or any other person. You can use it for yourself also, because PowerPoint presentation is something which we use in our day-to-day life, whether you are a college student or you are working professional or you are a school student. You are definitely going to use PowerPoint presentation at any point of time. Even if you are having your own startup or if you are planning to have your own startup, you are going to require this skill. Like, you need to master the skill because you have limited number of PPTs or presentations or slides that you can use, and in that number of slides you have to convey your message clearly to the audience so that they get impressed and the conversion rate is higher. So basically you can see over here that the charges that people are taking is very high compared to other services. Like, you might think that making a PowerPoint presentation is not a huge deal, and you might be making PowerPoint presentation every now and then, but then also you might think that why these people are charging so much of huge amount. So the reason behind this is that PowerPoint presentation is something which can lead to growth of your business, or it can decay your business. So basically, if you have a really great PowerPoint presentation and you convey your message in a very precise and attractive way, then the chances of conversion is very high. And this is something that everyone uses, like a huge company, a multi-millionaire company, or maybe a startup, or anyone else in your life, whether it is a student or anyone else, right? So people are charging around $30, $5, $45, $35, $75, and some freelancer who are pro verified are charging $300. So let me open his profile also so that we can see what a normal freelancer is providing in his service, as well as what another freelancer who is a pro verified one is providing. So this is the freelancer who is not a pro verified, but what he shall include is that he shall deliver it in 6 days, and he shall charge $70, and he'll just give you 10 slides. See, you can see, and he shall provide you PPT and PDF format, and professionally work would be done, and only 10 slides in $70. Can you see the amount of opportunities you have? So let us just see the demo what he gives. 219 graphics. Let us see the images only. So you can see over here, these are some of the images that is provided. So I'm going to show you guys how are you gonna create all of these graphics and everything from start. So you might think that this is a very basic skill, but you can see the opportunity of earning in it. So let us see. like what he is providing. Extra fast delivery. Okay, so basically you need to provide the image in PDF, PNG, PPT, or any of the specified formats, and service type would be full presentation design, and presentation software can be PowerPoint and Google Slide, and language can be English, German, and Spanish, and businesses he has included, the services he provides for, and the purpose he has given, that is education, training, marketing, or investor pitch, fundraising. So this is the purpose. This is something which comes under the designing sector, and let us see if the number of slide increases to 30 slides, then he is going to provide it for $195, and if it increases to 50 slides, then $295. So you can see the amount of earning opportunity in this skill. And let us go for looking at a pro verified one. So this is pro verified person, freelancer. So what is he going to provide? See, you can see he also is going to provide only 15 slides and the source file, but he is going to charge $300. Let us see at his presentations. So you can see that like we couldn't find any much difference in the pro verified person and the person who was providing without being verified. Let us see. I'll make your presentations exactly according to your needs, whether it's pitch, an internal meeting, sale, lecture, startup investment, or a seminar, and in any style or profession you need. I'm looking to make your data look interesting. Message I did for Slack. Okay, fine. So again, you can see the image, file format, and the purpose, industry, service, and language. So that was it. And so you can see the opportunities that, let us look at another person over here, another freelancer. So 10 slides, $40, 25 slide, $125, 35 slide, $200. So you can see that the opportunity is really endless in this field also. And you can definitely, like, even if like you don't it as a service, it's definitely going to be useful anytime in your life, whether you are now a student and later on also in your life you can find this to be the skill to be very useful. And so he is providing with Google Slide, keynote presentation, custom templates, and much more. Okay, so again the same thing, image format, service type, purpose, and everything. Now you guys might be thinking that making this what I can say, making a PowerPoint is really very simple, but I'm gonna show you guys everything, every single thing, how you are gonna make the templates and how you are gonna make the charts and everything. I'm gonna tell you the requirements that you need for this course. So basically all you need is just PowerPoint 2010 or 2011 Mac, 2013, 2016, 2016 Mac, or 2019, or Office 365 installed. And I'll explain you all the basics about PowerPoint and animating it so that you can work smoothly. And basic knowledge of PowerPoint is not mandatory, and be prepared just to work and follow all the tutorials that I show you guys in this video. So thank you guys for watching the video. I hope this video was useful for you. And Tech Essence is a channel where I post videos how you can work as a part-time and a full-time freelancer. So make sure to watch my videos on copywriting course and how much you can earn from it. And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button in case this video was useful for me, so that it motivates me a lot. And bye bye till the next video.